Yeah, so I was nominated by JustDog72. You can check his channel in the description below. And I nominate 2 people, Reese Marcelo and Jim Throx Gaming. Let's get into it. He did 1, I'm doing 4. So, already cut 1. Let's cut 1.
2 hours later.
Got 8 lemon pieces, and now put the seeds over. And I'm gonna make it into noses.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god. Look how disgusting that looks. Like, jeez. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Oh, great. I'm in trouble. 8 half lemons are wasted. Time to pour the lemon into the cup. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know if you can see how much that is, but that is a lot, and it already stinks so much. Let's do this. Alright, for 250 subscribers, thank you guys so much. So sour. Oh my god. That is so. Oh my gosh. That's a heck of a lemon. Oh my god. Oh. I can still taste it. Oh my gosh. There. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Remove this pain. Watch next time.